Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Data Analytics with Divya. From today, I'm going to upload Tableau videos. Of course, parallelly, I will upload SQL videos as well. But in today's video, let's see how to download Tableau desktop. Open your browser and type in as Tableau desktop download. And the first one you can see this is an official website of Tableau, that is tableau.com. I'm just clicking on this. We directly redirected to the website where we need to give the credentials. First of all, Tableau is a licensed product. We can use Tableau up to 14 days only freely. Okay, you can see here free 14-day trial. After 14 days, we cannot use Tableau desktop freely. Okay, but still there is one another way where we can get Tableau desktop freely for 1 year. I'll show that process in my next video. Currently, let's try to see how we are going to download and install Tableau desktop trial version. Okay. So as you can see here, we need to fill this form. Okay, we need to give the details here. Let me type in as data analytics, maybe with Divya. Okay, email ID. I'll give my ID. Organization, randomly you can give any name. Okay, if you are a student also, that should be fine. You can randomly give any details. Even you can just type in a student also here. Okay, randomly select anything, maybe 1 to 20 employees in it. Department, maybe IT department. Job role, analyst, obviously India, and type in your number here, mobile number, and then click on download free trial. Okay, you can see here our Tableau desktop. It will just take very less time. Once it is downloaded, I'll just open the file and I'll show you the remaining process. So once we open the downloaded file, we can able to see this kind of dialog box, which we need to click and accept the terms. Okay, and we can click on install. Here you can see don't send product usage data. Even I'm checking this box and I'm clicking on install. Okay, we can click on this S button to allow our system to start downloading. Our Tableau desktop is getting installed. Yeah, it is installing now. Now let me type in as Tableau desktop here. So once I open the desktop, it is asking me to enter the details again, like this, activate Tableau, and we need to enter our details here once again. Let me enter my details quickly. We need to click on register here. Registration completed. You can see we can click on continue. So this is the user interface of Tableau desktop. Okay, so as I said, this Tableau desktop is freely available for 14 days only. But how we can access Tableau desktop freely for 1 year? We have one process. I'll explain you about that process in the next video. So stay tuned to my channel. And if you are new to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.